Hi brick fans, welcome back to N4 Bricks, and in this video we will be reviewing, looking at and discussing the latest series of Lego CMFs, the latest Dungeons and Dragons set, so let's get into it. So we did not have one, or two, or three, or four, we have all of them. We should have all 12 to go in through. Now, I used the Lego Builder app to scan the QR codes at the Lego store the other day. Hopefully, I have managed to scan and remember the correct ones. So, let's just get into it. And start with this one. Beautiful boxes, the really nice Dungeons and Dragons style print at the top, showing you a few of the characters on the front. So let's get into it and see who we have got. Right. The obligatory sheet that we get with all of them, showcasing which ones. Hopefully I've got all 12, but let's have a look. So here we are for a bit of a closer look with the gang together. Overall impressions are really, really high. I'm really, really impressed. I mean, I'd seen obviously the pictures online, the artwork on the boxes and things like that, but nothing quite compares to seeing these guys in the flesh, so to speak, or in the plastic. Some really nice pieces. My particular favourite being the spell book for the witch, although I'm not a fan of that fire, unless I've done something wrong. But yeah, that spell book, I think, item-wise, my particular favourite. Next favourite really is that a lot of these pieces are very, very, very interchangeable. So I think the best thing we can do next is make our own custom D&D characters. So, as you can see, doing some very very minor swaps with some of the headpieces, the hair, legs, trousers. We can do some really, really interesting and really customizable minifigs. My new favourite, I think. Simply swapping the axe, getting rid of the pesky fire cauldron that falls apart. Get rid of the axe, the face. But yeah, what are you guys doing with yours? And of course, if you also have the most recent Dungeons Dragons Castle set, you have a few other different faces to make some swaps and adjustments. But overall, yeah, really good. Really happy with this set. I think, yeah, Lego really knocked it out of the park with this one. Then, yes, as promised, here are all the spares. Here are the different male or female heads with their alternate faces. Really, really nice. Particularly like this orange grumpy guy, and a few good other little bits and pieces to really do some good customization. Thanks everyone for tuning in and watching. First video on the channel under our belt. Hopefully some others coming soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It would be greatly appreciated. And see you in the next one.